Namaskar, this is Dr. Mona. Welcome to Saffron for Health. So, if you're looking to reduce some pounds, then we have the solution over here. We have the special weight loss juice that you have to consume 100 ml twice a day. Along with that, everyone needs some supplement. So, for that, we have Wheatgrass tablet that you have to consume 4 tablets twice a day. Now, if you want to really burn out your fat, then the best solution we have is the fresh ashwagandha leaves that you have to chew 10 leaves with warm water, and along with that definitely need to balance your calories. So we have the weight loss tablets. So 3 tablets twice a day after your food. After all, you need to detox yourself also. Then SD powder is there. 1 teaspoon mixed with warm water last at night. So this is the complete package if you really want to shed some pounds from your body. Thank you.
For consultancy and more details, contact us on